Just be our bag na wo de fefa na ya check no, but you free ho de a ni nyina ye mfidie. Technology omo one of the best in the world. Enti ade a me hu wo airport wo ne se wo pe a
Ebusianfo aha GhanaNsem TV GH. Message or like, comment, subscribe with no notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded will be notified. Ebusianfo Abranti a friend Saddick Adams. Oya Juma or Angel. Wouldn't baby? Ghana indeed no. One of our biggest problems. Nkrumah from journalists. And I think genuinely, sincerely, say on my way, say one of the things that we must be bold and do, is say we have to regulate the media and the journalism profession. We must regulate it. There is a clear reason why it is called a profession. So to be in a profession, you must have gone through some training and must have qualified and hold a valid license to practice. That is why we call nursing a profession, medicine a profession, law a profession. And you won't need valid license, won't you practice it? The same thing must be applied to journalism. We a teacher, we have license. Because people just get up because they have a good voice and they can speak non-stop for maybe 3 hours. They are show hosts, they are morning hosts. Now, baby, sir, I won't say I don't know power, and I say we are, and I say you me bashi Saddick Adam, sir. Uncle Kanayen Kotia, Saddick Adam say Ghana could have been like Singapore by now. Now Ghana could have been like Singapore, no. Ako building the pointer. Ako tam Kwame Nkrumah picture aba. You see, when you keep living in the past, when you keep giving yourself excuses because of the past, there ain't any way you're going to make progress. There isn't. That is the truth. There isn't. Are we saying, say, beyond or aside Kwame Nkrumah, Ghana has not produced leaders who have carried a similar or bigger vision? Are we saying, say, we did not see just few months ago a president and his vice, President Akufo Addo, Vice Dr. Baumia, who carried even a bigger vision than what Kwame Nkrumah had for Ghana?
Answer no, say owo abrochiri, anase owo Ghana ha, na oye program bi say engagement, wedding, anase funeral, na ope obia obeba betwa video no ede ama, anase oba betwa pictures na mekyere quality videos, anase quality pictures a enfo wani enchirem ewo baby ase cam hacks na mano ena eda screen ne so no na djuma ho etwa yi papa Ghana ha baby a wo bia ofre na obeba abetwa wo program no ede ama anase empo wo amano ne ena wo hweye ena wo beye program ena wo atoto ania uhu obia obetwa wo program no ede ama wa contact na mana eda screen ne so no obetwa wadjuma no yopo ede ama say quality videos na quality pictures party emfa wani enchirem ewo baby anase empo ope bibi te say camera light anase drone ede etwa programmer eno so o contact na obeba ababeya ama fe.
What did mu journalists no then amu ye? You came together and made sure say you campaigned against MPP. You made MPP unpopular. You made MPP unattractive. Mu kan sembe brave ego MPP so. When Baumia brought the e-gate Baumia de buy no. How many of you journalists echoed it, praised it? How many of you? How many of you praised it? By the same e-gate, you are praising it because Singapore for aye. You are praising it because Malaysia for aye. See, if Singapore for, I said Malaysia for, anka omu media stations, omu journalists, say some of people like that, like Captain Smart, Saddick Adam, Nkrumah, mu running agenda no, anka Singapore on do baby omu say. And go and see how their country is. The kind of democracy that we enjoy here. That you can go and sit on radio and lie about the president. You don't have those leisure, so sometimes you should be careful what you wish for. You journalists are part of our problem. You are the reason Ghana is where it is today. You should be blamed as equally as you want to blame politicians. Look at the kind of idea today Dr. Bawumia is sitting in the house with. And you come and sit down there and say, Ghana could have been like Singapore. Let's go and listen to the video.
Opportunity. Me fan say be a Singapore ye. Me first time I make hodie. Nana say oshe baby a o mine share. Be a matutu kwanya is me na make ka 40 countries. Na say Singapore ne be ka ho a. Na me share the level of infrastructure ne near me o hwa. Yes I will say me mo amane no. Enti atiefo anopai ye nyansa pon ne say the nation Singapore your my kete and crying so chen ho. Yes. In crying so chen kru no nyina omo man ni nyina. Secondly, and crying population nipa won crying do so chen kru ho fo nyina o man mu fo nyina. Omo population is 6.1 million. Accra say e cost 7 million and over. And omo population ni nyina is 6.1 in the country. 6.1 omo free o man mu ho ankasa ne 4.1. Nti timamufu okra na abeka ho ama na kosro. Nti uhwe a omo ye oman a omo sapa in terms of land size and population. Na eniema me hu ye oman no mu a me take note. Na nka me mie me note in but na me mobbo so. Singapore man no enya omo independence in 1965 from Malaysia. Ti Malaysia for them fancy di omo so say China kokonka sa area ho nyina. Ti omu kro na nkasa na eka Malaysia ho 65 ena Malaysia for ne ti omu man ma omu nti omu kitikiti bi etare Malaysia for no omu man no ase ti akoye se Ghana nka ba bi ti se Axim anase sa area ho no omu ne half asini for na nka omu ti omu ho nti obi abeka se na sa omu yi de pasa wo hwe a omu mom edru ba bi no omu ba Ghana no omu besua omu president ne yefre ne Lee Kuan Yew oba Ghana twice ebesua said the Ghana yashesha ye niema bi oba ha 64 and Osamba ha 66. Of course Ghana is one of the few countries Lee Kuan Yew omo president and visited twice as a leader in less than 2 years. Adia a strike came a power Singapore the first thing me cultural shock meka se we see o ma bi so no hu bibia e ma ho drill distance ne wa nearly 19 hours na obetwa nti umfa nse odru ho no na and our time difference in Ghana near 8 hours. Nti ye koda no more sorry. Nana omo population 6.1 million. Oshemua. Omo di 64 years and above. A dozen. Nti kro no. Adwuma bi ti se caterers. Nipa omo pepa krom. Nti so hwe aged omo population near aged. Mpanyimfo dozen. Nti udru airport omo cleaning ho near 65 years and above. And Kokrafo dem rewafo na clean airport won say ha de young people but omo ho na hu say adwuma enye den sa no nipa omo anyi nti omo 24% of the population no above 64 years obekọ restaurant na maami a wo serve no or 70 years hwe wo the pictures ni bia me twitwa ye ni akokra obeba be serve ni o hu say Ghana enye likely say obekọ restaurant na akokra serve because omo hu ni say youthful population no omo de oso omo koye adwuma ede but we mu no e woso omo yese na e mo omo keep you active nti omo hyehye no atwa butu wo Ghana se Ghana bi ankokrafo na nka ekodo no da bi e ho no de
is it attractive say be ma abrewa say wa okodi edi no bi anyu akono
e cultural shock nti ne friend cultural shock ukọ no omo hu ne se we mu na fascinate omo se omo ya che nti okọ hokra no ko hu abayewa na ye ne se Aden a young girl or juma ne say I will serve young girl they also your active job. Sa no mo hu no. Intuition mfonyi ya wo Facebook ya emrewafo say majority of them ye ohun. Waiters no dodo na emrewafo ene nkokrafo. Ene omo clinic veranda so no mo say mo ye active. So on tenafie. Nti ho no omo friend say lifespan. Say Ghana dey 61 years. Ho no the unyini kura average 84 85 ansa na obi wo nti bia di 90 100 omunyini che nti wo hu se maami ogina ho ebi okọ 75 years on na serve or restaurant on na do aduane beba omo nante so slow na nti me ade a me hu ya ma me hu se won se obi o ha obetu kwan okọ holiday but me take observation of eniema bi ye different airport ho nyina ekọ unche da hu nipa omo ye young so omo clinic ana omo serve old people eno ene ade ba kwa me hu ye eno omo population no ade ba kwa me se hu ye ne se omo ngo bebre omo fertility rate e wo form se de calculate fertility rate no se wo hwe a FTR no na che se oba bia nipa se na obetimi awo no omo ho no oba ba ko average le ontumi ngo more than one nti omo fertility rate ni 0.97
bedujwa do omo wi bi da
there be Ghana de ye 4 say oba bia no average lo betimi awo 4 Singapore de no onu nru 1 nti oba bia 0.97 e je say bi ngo na mebusa me nanfofo na me hu omo ho de aden na omo ngo omo se omo ho no eniema wo be fam ansa na wa ba be nyini career education nti wadwen wo so a oba akra nware bia na wo 35 years wa 1 nti one thing na me observe ye ne se omo ngo ti ubekwa akọ reduce omo fertility rate no omo fertility rate wo form nti e ho kra no population no mo free outside ni bi na ewo kakra by kromofo ne de awo nya de a nti omo population in 1965 omo nya independence no mo 1.9 million say resident rankasa 4 million nti echese from 1965 ana Ghana ye be 5 million no Ghana ba be nya 35 million ye de 30 aka ho omo de no omo de less than 2 million aka ho nti utimi ho say omo ngo for more than 60 years omo de just 2 million population aka omo ho Ghana de 30 million in that same space nti eno so ya de ba ko a me observe ye nana ofria no so a omo airport no one of the biggest omo friend Changi airport and Shanghai airport one of the largest and the busiest airport in the world mo amo pe no betima check information ni nyina verifiable nana na se me mo no community member but ade a me hu ya ne se wusi wo airport ho na se wuni makenkan a wan hu ya oni nipa bi ankasa ho no sa kunku ya attention please ebi ni ho omo airport no sound bi ani ho ho di na niam a mo hwe no TV so ye afidi a Ghana digital ka se de bai nti udu ho na before so obekọ Singapore no 24 hours so obedu Nkrumah no be send document bi ama no wa fele o fele a omo de be trace u data bia nti uba ho anya ade so omo ba beje o passport onko immigration bi am ye nkoje o passport no machine na esisi ho no ana o de fam na o hwe se the machine ne door so no a pacha omo ha unni live bia so udu ho na do passport na scan information na o de ma omo before so obedu Nkrumah no omo hu ne nyina se no kure bia ni ma o passport no ntimi mbie ma wonko enti ho no nya ba bia ye kwaje o passport ne aka se ubewura kru da bi mfidie ni sisi ba bia eno na ye omo immigration police fo ni gina akire ba bi je se ubie na nkwa na omo hu se watwa ntro ana document ne irregular enti upa usi omo airport na onte kasa se machine bi e kasa ena unkohia immigration officer bia je se bia o bag na wo de fefa na ya check no but u free ho de a ni nyina ye mfidie technology omo ye one of the best in the world enti ade a me hu wo airport wo ne se wo pe a na wo mpesa oni obi abedi nkomo me ko ha even information okwa na wakobo ebia me airport no nie waterfall e wo ho yes enti wo go flight na wa twen ya cha wo betima akotena ha na ayese garden this is the airport yesi muja omo ena omo mampanyi no ba krom ha besua ade e wo ha fa kwa Nkrumah adamfo the second time oba ye okoya na cool this year enti this is Singapore ne Ghana na ubusa Singapore ni bia se aden na mo man na acheche fesa o say ya man no na ya fishing village o It is Nkrumah said the make an Accra so che ho. Omo say oman nyina na ye fishing village. Omo
Bear 2 to 3 years ago, Honorable Kennedy Japan, or Kabibi say or video bio said na or the Babontinya, former vice president, na wari beko. And na me video na Miss Honorable, me pa ucho, sisi ade aware ho ayedin. Nti misro ngo bia na ware mpa ucho. Me video a me ye no, asama me kai. Manya wo bia. Mengo bia ni mase. Mendidi obi atem. That video no was 2 or 3 years ago. Miss Ram, me pamocho. Phone calls no, audios no, message no, me ya ubia. There's no video and audio. Bia obaka said nana donko me ya o madam no. Enti Miss Ram. Makache my sister. Say onim na obi come with social media. Na or respond there. Mi bobe phone. Pa. Miss Ram. Eye dia kraba. Enti bida. Ene twin. Ana pui. Ana fush. Menkola. Enye nde. Ena yedi menkola ayame wo social media. Dada. Ena nkrofo bo kwan to ho. Ena manfo nam so. Eninti enhame. Be okay. Se me da bontia. Ena nka ehame. Se ye ni aduane wo fie. Me ena menkola yebedia. Ena nka ebehame. Se menkola na me ye ni ntare bia nka yebehye. Ana se yare abon. Ena ebehame. Me you okay. Besramo. Me you okay. Eye yaw. Eyaw so de enkunipa. Eyaw enkunipa. Se eyaw kunipa. Anka. Me sure sanka wo kra anka wewu. Inti eyaw nkunipa. Inti me pamoncho. Mesramo. Mo bia send me audio. Mo bia mfrɛ send me. Se obi ye ya me. Na wo de video ni send me a. Emfa so benewo. Nyansa benewo. Se wodi kokwa. Ntumi nchiri ne ba. Se wo yeso obedi kokwa. Obedi ne mba na so aka. Nti menem. Koko na medi ye no. Mba no ene eyaw a meji wo social media. And me nkwala ane you okay. Me nkwala omo you okay. Nti raising a meye video. Kofosi ma ye ya vice minidini kwa mintimembo. I will never ever insult anybody. Me mabura bono kwa me hu ano na makoye ya obi. Me obra me bono. Me hu nto me. Na me na don koma ye ya obi. Me menim de ada menim twɛn me. Abrabo a me bono. Me do baby ya. Nyame mpo na we hu me mpobo. Ti me ye ya obi ya. Video no it's 3 years video. And wutie video na man ya obi ala. Enti se me kase ya pa ocho aware ho ayedin. Enti amfa emba ne bego bi na ware a pacho ya yawana. Se me kase me ye politics a. Enti me kan yaw. De piese se wo hu baby e fiba. And me you okay. Me you okay. Me sua baby. So be ye ya me a mintie. Me manager no catch him say or say na waka or so say former vice president so on a book in the Japan. Just said it doesn't even make any sense. But a yawno and hame a yawno before no ne hame. But now no and hame. I dear hame a near me woman fear her. Men kola se umbediti se woman yare se umbinya bibidu edi womutibeto. Any idea made tom. Send coffee better mammy. And in Shranka Yankopon. We will tap send. Bombardiana use me promo code NDA1. First and is Kakumo Bushia 4. Me was sunny good. I was a cocoa, your worship or your gunte, who America now pursue to be tonga, and you good business. Yet the pebro Alberton. And a mere casame woman online market. And the online market. Me ton pipia. In Chingana a bobo a born chin qua me ton be. Sisia me wo pipia me wo cra. Ye wa TikTok shop or so. In near my way, and says say a hammy. In Qualano a be hammy. Me kunta de joy okay. And near me, but a yow dear, and yes she. A yow, and yes she. Obini comment, and yes she. Obini likes, and yes she. And your first time ni. And your first time. A lot of me bad life. I don't want you. Will be in the yaw, will be in the yaw. You should know this by now. Sisia Martina me ko 8 years. My head mistress wahano. My head mistress. Intino mesramo. My ya ubia. The video is 3 years old. Ubia ose me yao. Madam no. A ya prekwa me yao no. Omba kantim and tremo. How can I insult somebody like that? Madam no. How can I insult her? Me do him. On but baby madam we wo. How can I insult her? How can I insult Obinaware? Only thing I'm kind, and this is not even something serious. I just said it's honorable. A slow, Sisi our own way to you until a patch and be good beyond our who will be a kegumasu. Bonne ben a mekai. We won't be that. We will be in cabida. And as I say, I would say, a social media. A social media. Social media at Hibia between a Danny Bibi. And Hammy. And Hammy. Menquala, the woman. Woman te. And I'm in Quala who swear. And how because woman nim, dear memete. And I'm in Quala woman nim woman. Okay? Me to me soon. Me ye moon soon and go. I make a fast sour and show. Me ye moon soon. Into me you go. Tidi I mean quala tibia. Woman ye metie. Miss Ramo. Aya, more bien send them, mammy, and then my broken nipper bear 5. Send me a yawa, me broke you. Fasu so. Opa so send me a dear, send me sika. Send me sika. Oko kashapa. Me dear, Nana don't call at 1. Send me sika, men send me yaw. And boy me. And I'm in your mamma tongue, but to be. Near Mana Meton, Bedimitra. A yaw dear, and Kunipa. And go home puffy, send a yaw, a gunipan in Nimasia, and a go mufia, and come up Ponko Bimpon Castle Babame. Tia yaw and gunipan muffy. A yaw, a young frema. Poof, and a call. So me da say. Makacha, my sister, on ye beam. Makacha, obi trammy timpo. Oh, social media monja. So bang me, not be hume. A honor dear. a different story. But social media dear. Ahanum na mete. Ahanum na meda. Eye dan